In this lesson, we will learn how to ask the yes/no questions. Yes/no questions in English usually begin with the verb to have, or the verb to do, or the verb to be. In this lesson, we'll look at yes/no questions in Igbo using two sets of examples, using singular subject pronouns and then looking at plural subject pronouns. Let's begin with singular subject pronouns. Singular subject pronouns are examples of singular subject pronouns are you, that's you for one person, he, she, it. So our first example here of yes/no question is, did you drink water? Did you drink water? In Igbo, it is Enuru mmiri. Enuru mmiri. Now, this in English, you say you drank water. Enuru mmiri in Igbo. So you drank water is Enuru mmiri. So if you look at the Igbo side, you see that did you drink water and you drank water are the same words. They're exactly the same words. So in Igbo, did you drink water is Enuru mmiri. You drank water is Enuru mmiri. Same words. The only difference is in the intonation. So the tone, you say one, you ask the question Enuru mmiri, and for the other one you say Enuru mmiri. I have a lesson on this, so you can go back and watch my lesson on Igbo tones to understand how to use the tones. So Enuru mmiri, Enuru mmiri. So what this means is, if you know how to say you drank water, that means you already know how to ask, did you drink water? Because they are the same words. Enuru mmiri, Enuru mmiri. Is he going to work? Ọ na-aga ọrụ? Ọ na-aga ọrụ? Ọ na-aga ọrụ? He is going to work. Ọ na-aga ọrụ? Ọ na-aga ọrụ? Again, the same words, but different tones. Does he want water? Ọ chọrọ mmiri? Ọ chọrọ mmiri? He wants water. Ọ chọrọ mmiri? Ọ chọrọ mmiri? Have you eaten? I riela nri? I riela nri? You have eaten. I riela nri? I riela nri? So again, if you know how to say you have eaten, then you already know how to ask, have you eaten? They are the same words. The difference is in the tones. I riela nri? Have you eaten? I riela nri? You have eaten. Now let's look at yes/no questions using plural subject pronouns. Examples of plural subject pronouns are you, that's you for more than one person, that's you for two or more people. Another example is they. They is used for more than one person, right? So let's take these examples. Did you drink water? So you here is for two or maybe four people. It's asking four people if they drank water. So did you drink water? Unu ọṅụrụ mmiri? Unu ọṅụrụ mmiri? That's did you drink water? Now in English you would say you drank water. That's you drank water. Unu ṅụrụ mmiri. This is not a question. You're saying you drank water, and you here is for 4 people. So you're telling 4 people or 5 people that they drank water. You drank water. In Igbo, it is unu. There's 5 of you drank water. Unu ngono mmiri. So as you would have noticed, there's a slight difference between this plural, the yes/no question in plural subject pronouns and the singular subject pronouns we looked at earlier. For the plural side, you have to bring in additional pronoun, that is the or there, to put it in the yes/no question form. So unu ṅụrụ mmiri, for you drank water. The question form will now be unu ọ ṅụrụ mmiri, ọ ṅụrụ mmiri. Are they going to work? Ha ọ na-aga ọrụ? They are going to work. Ha na-aga ọrụ. Do they want water? Ha ọ chọrọ mmiri? They want water. Ha chọrọ mmiri. Ha chọrọ mmiri. Again, you bring in the additional pronoun or. And here, the pronoun or and o, that is the o with dot and the regular o, are the same, but the choice of which to use will depend on vowel harmony. I have a lesson, a video on vowel harmony, which you can watch to understand how this works. When to bring in or, that is the o with dot, and when to bring in the regular o. So ha or choro mmiri, we use the o with dots here, or, because choro, which is the verb, is a verb with light vowels. So we have to bring in a light pronoun to harmonize with the verb. So that is why we have ha or choro mmiri. Have you eaten? Unu oriela nri. Unu oriela nri. You have eaten. Unu eriela nri. As you can see in unu oriela, we brought in o, the regular o, because that is what harmonizes with the verb rie. So unu oriela nri. Unu eriela nri. Have you eaten? Unu oriela nri. You have eaten. Unu eriela nri. Okay? One, Gordon. Bye.